Happy christening and happy birthday, baby Zoe. I love you.
Gusto ko, hanggang po, kasi this they bring a lot of precious memories and pure happiness. Baby Joy, God bless you, my little princess, baby Joy. Happy first birthday. Papa love you, miss you. Talk soon, we meet. Love you, Papa I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Don't have to have it all together now. To have it all. You don't have to have it all together now. To have it all. So pick up all your pieces, put them in your pockets. You can take off like a lovely little rocket. You can fly, 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 fly. All together now.
Welcome to ZOE Limbus Christening and First Birthday Celebration. Are you ready to meet the baby star of today's celebration? Yes! Ayan! So, family and friends, let us all welcome the star of this celebration, baby Zoe and her proud mommy, Miley. Ayan! Oh, napakaganda po niya, di ba? Oh, let us give them a warm of applause, guys! Okay!
Happy birthday and happy yan sa inaanak mo si Zoe. I'm sorry Zoe kung hindi makakapunta si Ina ngayon sa vineyard mo. Pero rest assured, I'll always pray for you and I always hope that God blesses you as you grow up to be a good and empowered woman. I really hope that your mom has everything that she needs to help you grow up to be a fine young woman. I cannot wait for that. And I really hope to see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, baby star. And happy christening. God bless you always, baby. I love you. Happy birthday, Nani, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Chuchu, eh? Happy christening and always healthy and gladness. Huwag mo kaming kalilimutan pag lumaki ka na. If you need help, nandito lang kami ng mga ninong at emotion. Thank you.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, Zoe. Zoe, ito nga pala si Ninong role mo. Don't forget this face. At ngayon ay isang ganap ka na maging Kristiyano dahil bibinyagan ka na, okay? Paglaki mo, always be happy, respect others and fathers. And hope you know that nila, okay? Happy birthday again. Mwah.
Christening, may God bless you and give you a full of happiness, lots of memories to your family, and happy birthday! Love you! Bye!
Wala pa si Ate Liza, but she wants to say to the baby that happy birthday and happy christening. May God continue to bless her and her family, and we pray that she will grow to be a beautiful and young lady.
Happy christening and happy birthday, Zoe! God bless you! Stay beautiful and pretty, our little one!
Happy first birthday and happy christening, Zoe. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at maging healthy lagi.
Happy christening and first birthday, Zoe. wish ni Ninang sa'yo, sana lumaki kang isang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos. At tsaka sana laging masaya lagi, katulad din ng mama mo nung maliliit pa kami. Be happy lang. Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby Zoe, and welcome to the Christian world.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Seningwa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sister. Happy birthday to you.
You know I can't turn away. It's warm in the water, jump in the way. When I'm with you, there's no sense of time. And I know that it's late, but I don't wanna say goodnight. Give me a reason why we should walk away. Can't shake the feeling. You want me to stay? Could you used to being by your side? And I know that it's late, but I don't wanna say goodnight. But I don't wanna say goodnight. Don't wanna say goodnight. I want you around when I come down, when I come down from this night. I want you around when I come down, when I come down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zoe. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zoe. Yan, palakpakan nga po natin si Mami Maile and Baby Zoe. Mag-message na po si Mami.
Wishing you good health and good always. And salamat sa mga nagpunta. So, thank you!
Ayan. Thank you, Mami, for that very heartwarming message for Baby Zoe.
Hello, sweetheart, isn't it a lovely night? The moon is shining oh so bright above us.